Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can create books, shelf books, and what you can do with that, and a lot of information about the books in general in Minecraft. So for this tutorial I will be using the 1.19.3, which is the latest version at the moment, and if you have any other version it will still work for you. I will show you a lot of information, so please make sure to watch this video until the end, so you'll be fully understanding the topic of books in Minecraft and how you can use them in the future. So first of all, let's open our world. It can be your single player world or whatever world you have in Minecraft. So I will be back right after it's open. So it's opened really fast. I don't know how that's happened for today. Let's go, and now let's make the day. Okay, on start slash game, what's game mode, slash time set 0, and yeah, it looks better like that. What I've done here is I made 0 day. Okay, nice. So now what you have to do exactly is get some book. Okay, and now I will explain everything about this book, what you could do with it in this game. First of all, the books are meant to be normal books at the beginning of Minecraft. So what you could do using these books is write. So yeah, you can open a book and write in Minecraft. How you can do it? Just get a book and get sink, I think. Let's get some dye. Somewhere in here it's supposed to be, I guess somewhere in here. So ink sink, if we put them together with the crafting table, it's supposed to give me that. I need a feather, I think, feather as well. So if I do something like that, it has to be giving me a book and quill. So what this has to do in Minecraft, you can here write whatever you like, and after that you can click done if you want to write in it again. But if you have to save it and give it to your friend and no one can edit it, you can just click on sign. So as you can see here, you give a topic and here you go. And there's also, you can create bookshelf that helps you making the crafting table go even better. For example, let's get bookshelves, something like that, like so. You can make the crafting table. If you put the crafting table in here, it will go straight to level 30. For example, enchantment table, not crafting table, enchantment table. So it is now level 30. If we get some tools and something like that, here you go, level 30 enchantment table. But if you don't have any of these, or you have like a little bit of these, you can't get literally the level 30. You will only have a little bit of levels. Sorry guys, and it depends on how much books you have. For example, this one will give us like level 7, as you can see. And yeah, now how you can actually create the book itself. Basically we need papers, so papers and leather. So you get leather, papers, and you mix them together by doing something like that, and here you have the books. So that was it with today's tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.